What is Node.js and how does it differ from PHP? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built upon Chrome's V8 engine. Unlike PHP, which is thread-based, Node.js is an event-based non-blocking I/O model. That means it can handle thousands of concurrent threads efficiently without creating a new thread for each request, making it perfect for real-time apps and like charts or live dashboards. What is callback function in Node.js and how are they used in asynchronous programming? A callback is a function based is passed as an argument to the another function and is called once the task is done. In Node.js, callbacks are used for asynchronous tasks like reading files, query databases so that the app does not freeze while waiting, while helps to keep the Node.js apps fast and responsive. Here is an example for callback function. What is the purpose of package.json in Node.js project? Package.json is the heart of the Node.js project. It defines project name and version, scripts like start and test, dependencies and div dependencies, metadata like author and license. It keeps to manage the project dependencies and automation. What is the difference between require and import in Node.js? Require is common.js. The default in is Node.js. Import is ES6 model syntax, newer and must be enabled with type semicolon model in package.json. Use require for older Node.js setups and import if you prefer modern JavaScript and use bundlers or newer Node versions. What is middleware in express.js? Middleware is a function that access to request response and the next function in the express pipeline. It is used to log request, handle authorization, or pass data. Here is an example of express middleware in express.js. What is RESTful API and how to create one in Node.js or Express.js? RESTful API follows REST principles and uses HTTP methods. Some of the methods are get. It is used to read data, post, create data, put, update data, delete, and remove the data. With Express.js, here is the some code. Each endpoint corresponding to the resource and HTTP methods defines the action. What is npm and how do you use it? npm stands for Node Package Manager. It manages the packages dependencies for Node.js projects. Here are some of the commands. npm initial is used to create package.json. npm install express adds express to your project. npm install installs all the dependencies from the package.json. It helps to automate and organize your project setup. Why is it important to hash passwords in web apps? Hashing. Hashing passwords ensure that even if the database is compressed, user passwords remain protected. Hashed